Hey friends! Keeping your vehicle tidy is effortless with a quality car trunk organizer, perfect for groceries, tools, and gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car trunk organizers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the TrunkRiderPro Premium Car Trunk Organizer. Crafted from highly durable, eco-friendly Oxford polyester, this extra-large storage solution is highly water-resistant and built to endure heavy daily use. Reinforced stitching on high-wear areas guarantees exceptional longevity, allowing it to handle hefty loads with ease. Measuring an impressive 36.22 by 17.13 by 12.5 inches, it offers massive capacity across 6 main compartments and includes 4 removable subdividers for customized organization. A rigid base keeps the structure completely firm, even when empty. The innovative design easily folds in half for use as a front or back seat caddy, and it fully collapses for effortless storage when not needed. Packed with multiple side pockets and secured by a non-slip bottom to prevent sliding, it transforms chaotic trunks into perfectly neat spaces. Lightweight yet tough, it is incredibly ideal for SUVs, trucks, and large vehicles. Next up, our second product, the Fortem Trunk Organizer for Car. This premium storage box features a rigid, reinforced design with sturdy base plates that ensure all side panels stay firmly upright. Boasting up to 3 spacious compartments and multiple exterior side pockets, it effortlessly houses groceries, emergency supplies, jumper cables, and everyday accessories to completely eliminate vehicle clutter. Designed with ultimate stability in mind, it utilizes specialized non-slip strips and adjustable tie-down straps to stop any shifting during sharp turns. Interlocking buckles even allow you to seamlessly connect multiple units together for expanded capacity. It includes a handy removable lid that keeps your valuables out of sight and protected from sunlight. Highly adaptable, the collapsible construction lets you easily transfer it between the cargo area, passenger seats, or into your home. Practical and built to last, it is a brilliant automotive gift for anyone who loves a tidy ride. Coming in at number 3, the AECJOY Car Trunk Organizer. Constructed from high-grade, wear-resistant 600D Oxford cloth, this versatile container feels incredibly sturdy while remaining comfortable to handle. Its smart, foldable profile easily adapts to fit both compact car boots and expansive SUV cargo holds. When empty, it conveniently collapses flat and locks tightly with secure buckles so it never gets in your way. To ensure maximum stability on the road, it comes equipped with 2 adjustable non-slip tie-down straps that hook onto your vehicle's anchor points, keeping everything firmly planted while driving. With multiple thoughtfully sized compartments, sorting out auto tools, kids' toys, sporting equipment, and daily groceries becomes completely hassle-free. Everything gets its dedicated spot, drastically cutting down on mess. Highly functional and remarkably user-friendly, it is backed by extremely responsive customer service, making it a truly reliable choice for long road trips and daily commutes. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Odor Trunk Organizer for Car. Featuring 2 large main compartments and 6 supplementary exterior mesh pockets, this game-changing accessory provides outstanding capacity to finally make vehicle clutter a thing of the past. It is incredibly robust, manufactured from rugged Oxford fabric and enhanced with reinforced stitching and a thickened bottom board. Heavy-duty carrying handles allow it to confidently support over 60 pounds of gear. A major standout feature is its adaptable configuration, utilizing adjustable side Velcro strips that let you fold it entirely or just halfway. This allows for a perfect fit whether placed in the cargo bed, back seat, or passenger footwell. The exterior mesh pouches keep smaller essentials visible and instantly accessible, while the entire unit folds completely flat for space-saving storage when empty. Versatile, dependable, and heavily functional, it is an absolute necessity for drivers craving a stress-free and immaculately clean traveling environment. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the K-Nodal Car Trunk Organizer. Engineered as a highly reliable solution for chaotic cargo areas, this heavy-duty bin effortlessly handles large grocery hauls and heavy sports equipment. Fabricated from premium 600D Oxford polyester and fitted with unbreakable reinforced handles, it easily bears heavy loads and is designed to survive years of intense daily use. It functions brilliantly not just in the vehicle, but also as an indoor household utility basket. The intelligent layout features 2 large divided sections, alongside 1 massive mesh pocket and 4 smaller mesh slots to accommodate items of varying dimensions. With stiffened sidewalls, dual rigid base plates, and superior non-slip bottom grips, it refuses to tip over during bumpy rides. Setup is completely effortless, and it packs away flat in seconds. Furthermore, maintenance is incredibly easy. A quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking brand new for years. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.